key to success is not to fear failure, but to embrace it as a stepping stone towards greatness.
I know you must have seen talking AI like this, people using it to outgrow their social media accounts. And right now, this is what people are using to grow their business, market their product, market their goods, and market their services. Now, I know you want to learn how you can create talking AI like this, but you don't know how to go about it, or you don't know where to start. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can generate AI like this, how you can generate your text, how you can convert this text to words, and how you can animate this word with your AI images and let them say these words accordingly. So these are what I'll be sharing with you in this video for free, and these are what people charge you for to teach you. With that, kindly slap that like button and subscribe and join this community, because I'm going to be dropping more amazing videos around this very topic. Now, without wasting much of your time, and with that said, let's jump right into this video right now. Now, the first thing to do is to generate your AI photo. All right, we are going to be using text to speech to do this. All right, now the two platforms we're going to be using is what we call Playground and Lexica Art. Now, these two platforms are one of the best platforms that is free out there, and we are going to be making use of them right now. So we are going to be using either Lexica Art or Playground. So these are the two platforms we're going to be using. So I'll be linking every platforms I'll be mentioning in this video. I'll be linking them down in the description. As you can see, these are AI images right now in this platform. So we are going to go ahead and use Lexica Art for this right now. We are going to generate our AI right now. We are going to click on search bar. We are going to search for a wise looking old man facing the camera. It's going to generate the text to speech for us. As you can see, these are wise looking old man facing the camera. All right, these are amazing, right, guys? We're going to look for one, and we're going to make use of one right now. We're going to make use of this one right now. We're going to just go ahead and download it. So once we have downloaded it, and the step 3 right now is to generate our quotes. Now, the platform we are going to be using is what we call ChatGPT or OpenAI. Now, you can make use of Google search bar. That's a very nice place to use. So we just go ahead on ChatGPT, and we're going to make use of ChatGPT right now. So I'll be leaving the link to ChatGPT in the description below. You can access it from there. I'm going to search for 5 wisdom quotes for young people. Then we are going to click on generate right now, and ChatGPT is going to generate this for us. Easy peasy, guys, easy peasy. ChatGPT just generated 5 wisdom quotes for young people for us. So we're going to copy all this right now. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to take this 5 wisdom quotes. We are going to copy it somewhere so that we can make use of it. Now, the next thing to do is to change this text to speech. We have 2 amazing platforms I do make use of. I do make use of 11 Labs or Play Hit. So any of this is preferable and is best for you. We can't post more than 333 words in this very place. So we're going to post it twice. All right, we're going to post one part. We're going to post the other part to complete it. Now, that's the first part of the words right here. We're going to go ahead and click on download. This is download right now. Click on download, and we download this part. So once we have downloaded this part, we are going to go ahead and bring the other words. Remember, we paste it here. All right, we stop at Steve Jobs. All right, we are going to continue from Steve Jobs, which is number 4. We're going to select it down to the last part, and we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it back in this very place. So we're going to just select everything here, select all, we're going to paste, okay, select all, I'm sorry, select all, then we'll paste it here. We're going to click on this very icon right here. It's going to regenerate it for us. Click on download, and it's going to download right now. So once we have done this right now, all right, we have downloaded our text to speech right now. And the next thing to do is the most important part right now. I'm going to take you to my phone screen, and I'm going to finish the advanced setup on my phone. The reason I'm doing this is because the majority of people watching this video right now are using their mobile phone. All right, and many of them have issues in doing this, generating this talking AI with their mobile phone, and I have to do this with my mobile phone so that they can see the walkthrough. So the one we're going to be using is called DID, right? D/ID. Now you can use again, they are great, and you can use DID. Once you come here, you are going to click on try now, which is create a free account with them. I already have an account with them, so I'll just go ahead and log in my account. So you want to come to this very place and click on login. All right, if you don't have an account, you click on start free trial. All right, to start free trial right now, but for me, I'm going to click on login. Very please. Now, if you are here, our advice to take it to desktop is very important. You don't want to leave it on mobile so that you can have access to the full features. Now, the next thing to do is to come to create videos right here. As you can see, there's a symbol of create video right here. Click on create video. The next thing to do is to choose your presenter. All right, you don't want to use any of their presenter, you want to add your own presenter. We're going to click on add. We're going to select the AI image. We're going to select it right now. If right now this is it. If you are getting real value in this video, please, I will advise you right now, and I will encourage you to hit that like button right now as a sign of telling me thank you for giving me this video. So our image is uploading right now. So once our image has uploaded, as is uploading, all right, it's loading right now. So the next thing to do is to upload our script. Now if you look up down here, you're going to be seeing script. Now these platforms allow you to upload script. All right, even if you don't have to generate your text to speech, you can just put the speech right here and it's going to generate a perfect AI voice for you. But we already have an AI speech. All right, we're going to click on this very little icon right here. We're going to click on this very little icon right here. You can see a little icon right here to upload our speech. So our generated AI is already uploaded. So we click on this very small icon. You can see a little icon right here. A little icon right here in this last corner behind script. You click on it and it's going to switch from script to audio. We are going to upload our audio file right now. So this is our audio right now. We're going to upload our audio right now. We're going to upload it and it's going to take a little while for it to be able to upload this audio.
1. Belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. 2. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today.
So the next thing to do right here is to generate image. Simple as that, guys. Generate image. You click on this generate video right here. We click on it and it's going to perform the magic for us. So guys, know that it's going to show this. Alright, so once you click on upload generate image, if you are signing up newly, it's going to show this. I'm going to click on this trial plan, which is free. You click on select plan. So guys, before we go ahead and generate our image, now this is an issue you might be passing through. Alright, maybe if you want to generate image, it will be showing you to upgrade, you understand. What you are going to do is that you are going to upgrade to full trial. Alright, once you come to this very place again, you click on generate video. If you show upgrade, you cancel it, you delete this audio, all right, you re-upload it again, all right, or you can discard this video and you can re-upload the audio again. So once you do that, it's going to generate for you. So click on generate image, then click on generate and it's going to perform the magic for us. As you can see right here, generating your video. Our video is generating.
1. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. 2.
So the next thing to do right now is to go ahead and download this image. All right, we click on this dot. You are seeing dot there. We click on download and it's going to download on our file. All right, download and it's going to download. Now we are going to move it down to the last part right now, which is creating captions for this video. Now we want to create engaging captions. The free editing tool app we are going to be using is called CapCut. All right, CapCut is an amazing tool. The first thing to do right here is to cut out this DID. We click on this very video right here. We come over to this very edit button, click on crop. We're going to crop it out. You can blur it out if you choose to blur it out. It's best for you. We are going to crop it out. We are going to expand it a little bit. I'm going to expand the video a little bit to the full screen. All right, the next thing to do is to generate our auto captions. All right, you click on text right here, click on auto captions, and we are going to select the type of auto captions we are going to use. And we're going to select the type of auto caption we are going to use. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click on start and it's going to generate an auto caption for this right now.
One, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. 2, don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Will Rogers. 3, the only way to do great work is to love what you do.
So you can see right now we have already created our dynamic captions to follow every word he's saying. And these dynamic caption are great. Now you can just play with it, you can change it, and you can change the font, change the style, change the animation. Now these are the animation and these are the styles. Now the next thing to do right now is to export this image. This is a full-blown video people charge you for, but I'm giving it out for free. Now the best thing to do right now is to engage with this video, like, subscribe, share this video to someone, comment. These are the ways you can tell me thank you. Now you can rewatch the video if you want to rewatch it so that you can understand it more and you can follow every instructions I share in this video. And if you have any questions for me, you can go down in the comment section and share your thoughts, and I'm going to reply to it immediately. We can further discuss in the comment section. Now if you want to access the last video I shared about talking AI and other videos about how you can take advantage of AI and how you can make money from it, I've put together all the video on the playlist. Click on this video right now to access all these videos. I will see you there.